This golden zone could be the best entry yet if you know where to look.
Couple of support zones. You can see the 21 SMA on the weekly now is starting to curl up here. We can see a massive push into the 50 SMA, and we got rejected at the 786, close to the 786 and the 50 SMA. So we're coming back down, and we're trying to hold support between the 0.5 and 618 Fibonacci retracements from these moves. So that pivot low to that high to this low over here. So that's the golden zone for me. So we're looking to hold support here. So this would be a good entry for me with the potential to retrace back to that 21. You can see this large vector candles with 50% fair value gap for the vector candle sitting at 0.235, give or take in between this. So I'm expecting a retrace back in here. This would be a good adding opportunity for me with risk management, obviously. And then I'm trying to actually see SEI reclaim the 50 SMA. So if it can't reclaim the 50 SMA, the 50 SMA will continuously act as resistance. So then we can have a consolidation period and say, probably something similar to like this, just sitting here for a bit. Something like that. So I'm expecting something like this because the 50 SMA is going to be such a strong resistance level. I mean, if you look at this pivot low over here, and the market structure pivot highs, this zone here has a lot of resistance. A lot of guys are in losses over here. So expect a lot of choppiness, sideways action here. I'd say wait for this consolidation. I'm not expecting an explosive move yet for SEI, but it's looking good. Higher low, fantastic. So if you want to have a more simplistic approach, just take the bottom two pivots. And we can take it from the wicks, it doesn't really matter. Oh, I'll take it from the bodies rather, something like that. Let's do this. If I remove this just to show you, think of it in terms of like this trend line, higher lows, start re-adding on the trend line. As soon as we break that trend line, you need to be careful. Could come and retest these bottom pivots. So just keep these in mind, but it's good adding opportunities for potential push higher. So first TP will obviously be the 50 SMA. Second TP, if we want to look at extension targets, will be roughly these higher pivots over here. At 48 cents. So 32 cents, 48 cents, and then obviously 69 cents will be my targets for this potential push higher.
If you want to get this trade alerts early, it's all in the FFA.